everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS big block 454 car, guys. It's got 1,000 miles on a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. It's out of Tennessee, rock solid Tennessee body, pretty torch red paint. It's got the black SS stripes, all new black vinyl interior in it. Good looking car. It's all body color underneath, so you can take it right to the car show, put mirrors underneath it. Slick looking 72 AC. It's got vintage AC unit on it, 400 trans. You can see it's got 18 and 20 inch chrome American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, all new rubber. Again, I think it's 1,040 miles or something on the restoration. Nice car, man. Pretty car. Love the color combo. That bright red with the black SS stripes. Car sits good. It's got a little rake to it, a little higher than in the rear than it is in the front. Of course, it's got that SS cowl hood on it. Really nicely done car. Let me see what that is. A little mark there in the bumper. Again, slick torch red paint. Glass is nice. You can see that dash in there is nice. Pretty car. It's nice and straight down the side, sits good. Again, all new ZR rated rubber. I'm not real hip on the tips, to be honest with you. Those aren't my favorite. I'd rather have the factory cowbells on there, but that's an easy swap. Matter of fact, I'll probably order those as soon as I get done with this video. Nice car though, good looking car. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes, real nice set of chrome American Racing torque thrusts. Good running 454. Pump gas engine, so you don't have to put any race fuel or anything like that in it. It's got the Quadrajet 4-barrel, factory intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the vintage AC. We do need to charge that. He told me that. We'll make sure it gets charged. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, HEI distributor. It's got the big aluminum radiator in it, 400 trans. Pretty car, man. This car's just got a great look to it. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I think there's still about 9 more in here in the building that we've got to advertise. I know I'm slow with that, but I like doing all these videos myself. little touch, little stone peck or something right there. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car though, guys. Pretty car. Pretty much all just factory interior. It's got the black vinyl. Bucket seats, console, it's got the tilt wheel. Yeah, 1043 on the odometer. Factory tach and gauges. Even the clock's working in there. Aftermarket radio, and I think it's got a remote too. It's got the upgraded vintage AC controls in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 12 bolt, sorry, 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end on it. It's got the rear sway bar. They finished the trunk area, which is nice for sound, really deadens the sound, quiets these things going down the road. You see how nice this thing is underneath. Like I say, all body color floors, complete frame off restoration. Little glue. There's something you can nitpick, the glues. Somebody got a little overzealous with the glue there for the trim. I always tell people you can always find something, man. None of these cars are perfect. I have personally bought and sold over 6,000 of these things. Pretty car, man. It's got a good look to it. Have Jordy fire it up. Again, we are going to have to charge the AC. We'll make sure that gets done. Gauges are all functional. Again, even the clock works. Big block sounds good. Radio works, blower motor works. Hold on one second, your wipers stuck up? Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Pretty car, man.